Next up, the Saferoom Exfil on Interchange. This one's a bit involved and it does require a keycard, the 11SR keycard that's usually pretty expensive near the start of a wipe, though it does become much more affordable later on as more players find it. To start this, we need to head across to the power station to make sure that the power is turned on. If you know the power's on and alarms are going off, then, well, you don't need to do this. Your life gets a lot easier. But let's say the power isn't on. What do we need to do? Well, head behind IDEA all the way to this corner of the map, the top left corner, usually drawn on maps, though it's actually the northeast corner here, and find your way into the power station. So I'll navigate into the front door here, and on our left should be a switch just around the corner here by the door to the office. We'll approach the switch, hit F to restore power, a green light comes on, and there's an audible noise of the generators turning on. At this stage, other players on the map may be heading towards Kiba and other things like that as the power is on, but in our case, we'll be heading up the ramp here, and instead of entering the back of IDEA, we'll head across to the back of Goshan. So we'll head all the way up across here to the extreme other end. We won't be entering behind IDEA, all the way around the back, straight to this entrance over here. We'll head into it and run roughly to the center of the map, as that's where we need to be for the next part of this. So into the back here, we'll run straight all the way to the back center of Goshan over here. We'll run straight through Goshan all the way to the escalators that you can see already. Do note that there are usually lots of scavs in Goshan on the left and the right, sometimes even in the center of the mall here, so do keep your eyes peeled. On top of this, just hope you don't run into killer. Anyways, running out into the center of the mall here, we'll eventually reach the bottom of the escalator here. We'll travel up it, and to the left here is a burger shop. This is what we need to head into. So running into the burger shop here, we'll run straight to the back right of it where we have the toilets. Inside here and into the right-hand side bathroom, the men's bathroom, run to the back here where there's a single urinal with these wires up the side, hit F, and they're actually rails. Underneath it will be a keycard panel. It's a bit dark here, I don't have a light, but all you need to do here is use the 11SR keycard, and when you do so, it'll swipe it, and out will come a green light on the left corner there. Then we can leave this very dark bathroom, head back into the mall, back the way we came, to the top of the escalators here, then down the escalators to the left side here. Once again, looking out for killer, we'll be heading towards the hole in the ground over here by Generic and Rasmussen. Down the hole in the floor and to the left over here where there's lots of light behind this truck, this is where we're heading. Once again, here's the hole in the floor. This is the direction that we're heading. Over here by the C parking area, there's a generator, and just over here is the door that should be open, or at least allow us to open it. For me, because I haven't used the keycard, it looks like a generic door that doesn't do anything. Inside of here, you'll find usually some high value loot such as gold chains, and it's definitely a keycard worth grabbing and using whenever you're on Interchange, especially if you have tons on you that you'd like to get out with. If you're inside of Ollie, then good news for you. There's the door. Right over here is an escalator that leads up straight into the back of Ollie here. It's nice and in the way. There's a tech shop here that you can grab some relatively good loot from, another one here, and one upstairs, though they'll usually be completely empty because of the early game players. Here's Ollie, it's just round the back here. Very easy to get to. Let's have a look at this run on the map. As you can see, we have all of the shops here. East is to the top here. We have IDEA, Goshan, and Ollie. On the top left of the map, we have the power plant. This is where you'll need to head first and turn on the power using the power switch if the power isn't already on. Then we'll need to head across, up the ramp here, all the way around the back of IDEA, all the way across and into Goshan, all the way across here and into the center of Goshan, straight down. And this is roughly where the escalator is. Zooming into the top floor here, we'll run up the escalator here, across to the left and into the burger shop, then into the bathrooms here, where the keypad is, where we can swipe the 11SR key. Then we'll head across and back down the escalator. We'll then head back and across past Kiba to the hole in the floor over here, right by Rasmussen, Dick, and Generic. When we go into this and down the ramp, back and across here roughly is where the extract is, somewhere here. This is Ollie on the right hand side. Here's the front entrance. We can run across and up to the tech stores here, but of course running through to the escalators here, down and to the left, that's where the extract is from a different path. It can be very confusing. Anyways, that's about it for this super quick guide. Thank you all for watching. I've been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!